At All Media Restoration, bringing your old memories to life is what we do. We can restore severely underexposed images. Our special restoration process allows us to handle images others refuse to touch. If we can't recover the image, you don't pay.
What about faded or washed out images?
Of course, it depends on the damage, but in most cases we can bring back the image to original quality.
I have some ripped pictures. Can you restore those?
As long as the focus subject is visible, chances are very good.
I have a bunch of old negatives, can you do anything with those?
Again, it depends on their condition, but we've had a lot of success restoring negatives. So let's give it a shot.
What about old slides? I have a bunch sitting in my attic.
We love restoring slide film. So don't throw them out. We'll create stunning prints to cherish for a lifetime. Now you're probably wondering, how do I get started? Well, the first and easiest way is by simply giving us a call. We can tell you all about our restoration process, how to submit your images, and even give you a free estimate before we begin. The second way to get started is by visiting our website. Simply select the Getting Started option on our main menu. Then choose the Restoration Order form. That will take you to our simple online ordering system. Just fill out the simple form. We need your contact information, payment preferences, and a brief description of your restoration project. We also offer an easy image upload service. Just click the Upload button and choose the images you want to upload from your computer. Finally, when you're satisfied with your entries, just hit the Submit button. After receiving your order, we'll contact you as soon as possible, often the same day. And that's all there is to it. All Media Restoration. Why not call today?